Just last week, I had a little video that went viral, which was very exciting because that's the first time this has ever happened to me. And in that video, I make a joke about filtering words and how annoying it is to edit filtering words out of your books. So in this video, I'm going to explain exactly what filtering words are and share the argument for why you should remove them from your writing. So first, what are filtering words? Filtering words are words or phrases that unnecessarily distance the reader from a character's experience. These words or phrases filter an experience through the eyes of a character instead of allowing the readers to experience that experience for themselves. For example, take these two sentences. I notice the sun setting behind the mountains. Or, the sun sets behind the mountains. Both of these sentences are in the first person. Both of them are in the present tense. The second one is much more immersive than the first one because the first one uses I notice to filter the sunset through a character's point of view. The second sentence allows the reader to experience that sunset directly, whereas the first sentence forces them to experience it through another character's eyes. They are being told that another character is noticing it rather than being able to notice it for themselves. Examples of filtering words include I see, I hear, I smell, I touch, I taste, I feel, I remember, I know, I believe, I notice. And the reason you want to delete filtering words from your story is just that they distance the reader from the character. They remind that reader that they are reading a story about another person experiencing something instead of being brought into the experience for themselves. Removing filtering words creates a more pleasurable and immersive reading experience for your reader. So that's it for this short little video on filtering words. I hope that it was helpful. If it was, I'd be super grateful if you could hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. My name is Claire Fraze, and I'm an award-winning author who makes videos on this channel sharing actionable writing tips that helps me make my own writing better. I made another video on this channel a couple of months ago listing all of the words that I cut from my novel in that first self-editing pass. Filtering words are included on that list, but so are a bunch of other things. So if you're currently self-editing a book and interested, I highly recommend going to check that out. I have linked it in the description of this video. I am the author of the paranormal thriller They Stay series, which tells the story of an undead necromancer who brings kids back from the dead, and the 4 teen outcasts that band together to stop him. So if that sounds interesting to you or sounds like it would be up your alley, you can go check out my books in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fantastic week, everybody, and as always, happy writing.